parenting begins at birth. That means it's never too early to set boundaries and monitor your children's behavior. We have always been focusing on children 9 to 14. We have now discovered that is way too late. Why is that too late? Because when you have a baby, you have to understand age-appropriate behaviors, setting the boundaries, and monitoring behavior. We are seeing more and more that we're losing that. I don't know why that is, I can't tell you. But you're the parent, you're in control, and the most important thing you will do is set boundaries and monitor behavior. I used to think this was just about families and children, but I want you to think about our society today. If we think what we've just gone through is an economic crisis, think about AIG. What sort of plays along that whole thing? Set boundaries, monitor behaviors. You can't set boundaries if you don't know why to set them and what you believe. It's very difficult to set them then. Fundamentally, Informed Families believes that that's exactly what you need to learn to do. We're not here to tell you always everything you need to know about disciplining your child. You're going to have to make that decision yourself. And when they roll their eyes, I will assure you, they won't stick up there in the permanent, up behavior forever. You've got to know what your message is and you deliver it.